Rahim. This is Isha Freedi from BITEL College in Academy, Peshawar. Today, I'm going to talk about collective noun. What is collective noun and why do you use collective noun? If you look to the word collective, a collective means a group of something or a collection of something. For example, a noun that represents, this is the definition, a noun that represents a group or a class is called collective noun. Examples are given to you guys, and that is class, that is army, that is family, etc. Keep one thing in your mind, note. Collective noun must be followed by singular verb, like for example, my family is, army is, class is, etc. Now, let me talk about abstract noun. What is abstract noun? A noun that represents something that cannot be seen or touched, but can be felt only. Are those things which you cannot see, which we cannot touch, but just we can feel, are called abstract noun. For example, I say air, I can say honesty, I can say weather, and pain. These are the things which we cannot see, which we cannot touch, but we just feel. Next, I'm going to talk about countable noun. What is countable noun and why do we use countable noun? One is countable and one is uncountable. Countable noun, a noun of something that can be counted. जो शुमार हो सकता है, that is called countable noun. If I say chair, so I can say cheers. If I say book, I can easily say books and pens, etc. Now, properties of countable noun. It has three properties. Number one, it can have plural form. Countable noun can have plural form. Like for example, cheer, so I can say cheers. Cheer, cheers. Book, books. Second property, it can have number. I can say one chair, I can say one pen, I can say one book, etc. Third property and the last property is it can have definite and indefinite article. We can say a chair, we can say a book, we can say a pen, etc. Now, uncountable noun. What is uncountable noun and why do we use? It is opposite of countable noun. If here we can count, here we cannot count. For example, a noun that represents something that cannot be counted. For example, water, for example, rice, for example, salt, etc. And now, the properties of uncountable noun are given. Number one is it does not have plural form. Or it doesn't have plural form. For example, if I say, here the example is given to you. If I say water, I cannot say like waters. I cannot say rices. I cannot say salts. If I talk about second property, it doesn't have any number. For example, I cannot say one rice, one salt, one water. And the last property is can have only definite article. I can just use definite article means the. The is used in uncountable noun. If I say the water, the rice, the salt. It is all about today. See you in next lecture.